What?
I'm gonna help you to cooking today.
Thank you. So what we're gonna make today?
Mr. Onion and egg.
No, we're gonna make capcay. What we have in here? Can you telling mommy what is in there? What is that?
Onion. Onion.
No, veggie. That is broccoli, and this is bean. Can you say bean?
Bean.
And what is this one? What this one?
Mr. Onion.
Mr. Onion. And what is this? Look at darling.
Fishball.
Fishball. And we have also in here mixing egg and corn flour.
Corn flour.
Yeah, corn flour. Leave it there. Thank you for help. Isabella already helped mommy mixing before. Yeah, mixing slowly. No, don't put in there. Oh my goodness. No, look there. You can mix in that. And in here, mommy got ready with the what's that? Oil. We're ready to fry. I'm gonna pause this. So this I will have to fry still. Thank you for help, my little girl. I'm mixing the corn. It's corn flour to make the capcay stick more thick, not sticky, more thick. And then we put 3 eggs in here. Let's go sit there.
Already cooked.
Yeah, we're ready to cook. We're gonna move a little bit and watching what is in there. But don't touch anything, okay? Just watching. Don't touch anything. Look at this. Noah already put this on. And we put the onion first.
Onion.
Yeah. No, not that one, my love. That is leather. We put the Mr. Onion first. Throw our... Yeah, it is not hot yet. Wait until hot. Not yet, my love. Don't touch. Don't touch that. Too hot. We open the door. So we will keep fresh the air. No, don't put that. Isabella, mommy said just this one. You gonna help mommy or no? If you're gonna help mommy, just
I'm gonna help mommy.
Yeah, okay. Just watching here. Don't touch anything in here. Danger. Okay, you can help me mixing this while we're waiting the... Oh, already hot. You can put the onion. You can put the onion there. Here. Onion. This is onion. That is fish ball. And we will sew next again. What?
You are your majesty.
No, I'm not majesty. I am a mommy. Thank you.
You are mommy.
Yes, and you are my daughter. And you're going to help me for cooking. Make our lunch. And now we put the... What is that?
Fishball.
That is not vegetable yet. That is a...
Fishball.
Fishball. Good job. We give a little bit border. It will help.
It will help.
Yeah. So what is in there now? There is a onion, egg, and fish ball.
Did you have that?
And not that is later. That is the last we put. Now we put the veggie, just the bean first. Yes, bean first. Put the bean. All. Let's go put the bean.
Okay. Put the bean.
Not the broccoli. The broccoli is easy to cook. So the broccoli is the last one. Just the veggie. And just the bean. We don't have carrots, and this will be not really make looking nice because carrot is colorful. It will make like more pretty, like you, so pretty. Yeah, keep mix gentle. We not throw it. Slowly mix, mixing. And what is in there? There is, oops, be careful, already bean. You gonna give what? You gonna give what?
What's that?
Where?
What's that, Mom?
Where, darling?
What's that, Mom?
Where?
What's that?
And this is Noah. Welcome to our cooking, Noah. Cooking with Bella. We're making capcay, Noah. What are you gonna do in there? You're gonna press the button.
I'm gonna press. I'm gonna press that.
Watch out. This is hot, my love. We not play in the near to the oven, and now it's time to put the cup. You know cup. Cup. Where is your cup? Oopsie doopsie. Where is that? It's time to put the salt and what is that? Oyster sauce. Yeah, but just a little bit. Wait, mommy. You can put the salt. Mommy put the oyster sauce.
I can do.
Just about 2 tablespoons, and maybe just a little bit salt. Not too much. You can put. Done. Mommy help. Yeah, it's going anywhere. What, Mr. Noah? Yes. What do you want, darling? Yes. You can put that maybe. Can you put all, please? We give more water. Thank you. Well done, Isabella. We give more water.
I need water.
To make sure they're cooking. Cook. Dip it in. And make sure the broccoli cook. Mostly we need to boil the broccoli first. So already half cooked, and we put to here.
Can you put to the bowl?
Oops, sorry, darling. Huh? Yeah, but this is not cooking yet. Darling, don't play with the oven. No, it's dangerous. Don't put anything. Just leave it there. That one. You're right, Noah. this. We already put the broccoli, bean, and everything.
And everything.
Yeah. You happy to help mommy? You happy to help mommy?
I love Nanny and Sailor.
You love Nanny and Sailor?
Yeah.
Oh, that is great.
They're going home.
Yeah, they're going home.
I will never find them.
You never found them. They will coming next time. That's okay.
And they will get me too.
Yeah, she will come in to visit you too.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get Nanny. Surprise.
You're really smart.
I'm gonna get Nanny present.
You will get an impression again. Yeah, maybe in the Christmas, okay? Not now. Your birthday already passed. Next is Noah. Oops. You're right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gentle. Oh, gentle. Gentle. What?
I love snake.
You like snake? Oh my goodness, I hate snake. Why you like snake?
I'm gonna eat snake.
We not eat the snake.
Go. Why? Go.
Some people eat them, but we not eat them.
I need this my water.
Yeah, that is enough. Mommy just drink. And this is little chef. What are you doing, little chef? You know what? He's just busy. Oh my goodness. What a messy in here. What a messy in here. That's okay. We can clean that later. Are you happy cooking with mommy?
No.
You're not happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy or no?
No.
Oh. So why you help me if you're not happy then?
I'm happy.
But you say you're not happy. You can just sit down and watching TV if you want.
I don't.
You can just go watching TV and sit down. So you don't need to help me. Oh, sorry about that. Do you know watching TV in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go.
You know watching ABCD?
Yeah, later. Lucky we have internet now. Woohoo!
Internet!
Internet! Yay!
Woohoo! We need to have tuna.
Huh?
I need to eat tuna.
You wanna eat tuna? Okay, after we finish cooking, okay? I give you other tuna.
Dad.
You know what?
Yeah.
Oh, he doesn't like it. Are you tired cooking? You tired help mommy? No. No, no Naudi. What do you want?
Juice.
You want a juice? You want a juice? Hello? Can you say hi? Not yet. And the last is we put this. The last is we put this corn. The last we put the. This is already cooked, so we put off the oven. The oven. Yes, the oven. And then the last one we put the cornflake. We'll make it thick. And then we mixing. What, darling? Can you say again?
Welcome to our show.
And this is the result. They will more thick. The water will be thick, and then this make like creamy. Oh, that is so tasty. Tasty, yummy. It's thick already in there. It's done. Thank you, guys. So this is the result, guys. It is really thick now, and it's make creamy. And then it's, yeah, creamy. It's make yummy. And this is how is the look, guys. And this is how is the result, guys. It looks so yummy. And this is the result of the house. And this little girl still make messy. So what are you gonna do now? What are you going to do? Washing the dishes? Hey, madam, what are you going to do?
I'm gonna wash the dishes.
Okay, that's great job. Thank you for help. Be careful, okay?
Okay.
Don't splash the water. Now time for cleaning. Cleaned up, cleaned up. Thank you for watching, guys.